Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. My name is Z, and welcome to the structure of an atom. Atoms make up everything around us. Water, air, even whipped cream, but we'll get back to that later. Atoms are the smallest bits of material that can't be divided into additional parts. They are comprised of subatomic elements called electrons, protons, and neutrons. Neutrons and protons live inside the atom's nucleus. Meanwhile, electrons live in shells around the atom's nucleus. Neutrons are neutral, protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. The number of protons that live inside of an atom is the atomic number. The number of protons and neutrons create an atomic mass. Atoms make up the elements that we find on the periodic table and is organized by the atomic number. Electrons are organized around the nucleus in different shells. Each shell has a maximum number of electrons that can live there. The first shell around the nucleus can have 2 electrons. Every shell after that can have 8 electrons. Atoms can hold a maximum of 72 electrons, which means they can have up to 6 shells. Each shell doesn't need to be completely full before electrons fill another. Who likes whipped cream? I do. If you look at the ingredients and a can of whipped cream, of course you have cream, water, sugar, corn syrup, and then if you look underneath that, it says propellant and it says nitrous oxide. Nitro is made up from nitrogen and oxygen. It takes 2 parts nitrogen and 1 part oxygen, and it is a linear compound, which means the compound is all made in one line. Nitrous oxide is a colorless gas. It has a melting point of negative 136.6 degrees Celsius with a mass 30.0061. It is also heavier than air, so balloons won't float if it's filled with N2O. However, they will freeze due to how cold the compound is when it's released. Who knew? Atoms are everywhere, even in the food we eat. Well, that's all the time we have for now, folks. Thanks for joining me.